Let us look at the definition where every vowel in lowercase is replaced by a vowel in uppercase. So here we are going to use the for loop, and the logic would be to extract each character and simply check if it is a lowercase vowel, we convert it into uppercase and append it to the string. So for this, I'm going to take a string which is blank in the beginning. Now, since I'm going to loop through each of the characters, I would need to find the length of the string. Since I'm going to loop through uh, the string, I need a looping counter, so I'll use I, and at every stage I'm going to extract a character in, say, X. So as usual, we start our loop from the first character, we reach the last character, and at every end of each iteration we are going to increment the loop by 1. So the first thing we'll do is we will extract the character from the ith position. Now we just have to make a simple check that if X is either an A or it is an E or it is an I or it is a O or it is a U. Now you would be wondering why I'm not checking for the capital, because we are going to convert the vowels into capital case. So if at all they are in capital, we don't have to bother about them. So what we will simply do is we will convert it into uppercase. So the character which was there originally in X is now converted to uppercase, provided the character which was extracted is a lowercase alphabet. And the next thing we would do is simply append it to the string. So if it is a normal character, it would be simply appended because the if condition would not stand true. If it is a lowercase vowel character, then it will be converted to X. So that comes to the end of the whole coding. Let us see this. I have two vowels, E and O, so they should be converted into capital. Right? Try this definition, and in the next video, we'll take up a new definition.